Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going to be going through how to play Teenager in Love by Marty Wilde and the Wildcats. Do hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. And if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, Teenager in Love, here we go. Let me show you how that's done. So that's the classic rock and roll introduction from 1958. Let me show you how that's done. So first off, the song's in the key of C. So the riff goes as follows. We're going to be up on the 8th fret, as you know, as a bar chord. There's a C major chord. We're going to have our third finger. So basically it's like making an F shape up on the 8th fret, okay? We don't need to bridge the two strings though, the first and second string. We can just be on the B string, G string and D string. I'll just show you that up to the camera. And what we're going to do, first note is on the D string on the 10th fret. And then we're going to be on the G string on the 9th fret, and then on the B string on the 8th fret. They're the first 3 notes, and then we're going to be with our third finger still on the B string on the 10th fret, and then back to the first finger on the 8th fret of the B string. So let's take you through that again. Okay, so one more time. So third finger on the D string, and that's going to be the 10th fret. Second finger on the G string, 9th fret. First finger on the B string, 8th fret. So we've got, and then we're going to bring our third finger to the 10th fret of the B string, and then back to the first finger again. Okay, then what we're going to do, we're going to slide down to the 5th fret, and that would give us an A, but we need an A minor. So what we're going to do, we're going to bridge with our first finger the G string and the B string and the E string, but we're not going to play that. So just to make it easier, just bridge all 3, but we're not going to get down to the first string, so don't panic about that. So nice and easy, first string bridge. So we've got, that's going to give us like a minor kind of shape. So to start with, we've got, and then we're going to do the first note we did before, but this time we're going to be on the D string, 7th fret, and then we're going to be on that bridge thing I showed you. So we've got, so we're just going to go down from the D string on the 7th fret, G string, 5th fret, B string, 5th fret, and then we're going to go on the 6th fret of the B string, and then back to the B string again, 5th fret. So it's going to go. Okay, so just to bring that together. Okay, then we're going to be on the, that is the 8th fret, A string with our little finger, 9th fret with our third finger on the D string, and then we're going to be first finger on the G string, 5th fret, and then we're going to go up to the 7th fret of the G string, and then back to the first finger again. So we've got it, and then we're going to slide up to the 10th fret with our little finger on the A string, and then the third finger on the 9th fret of the D string, first finger on the G string, on the 5th, 6th, 7th fret, sorry, and then up to the 9th with our 3rd finger. So through that again, little finger, 10th fret, A string, 3rd finger, 9th fret, D string, 1st finger, 7th fret, G string, and then we're going to go up to the 9th fret, G string with our 3rd finger, and then back again. So we've got, so just to play through, up to the camera so you can see, nice and close for you guys. Okay, so we're going to go. So, the strumming pattern. So chords. So it goes like this. So we've got. So we're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So there's like a gap. So down, up, 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 down, up. I can show you a variation later on in the video. Let's go through the chords though. We've got C. Turn this down a touch. So we've got C, then A minor, then F, and then G. So we've got C, A minor, F, G, C, A minor, F, G. And then each night I ask the F and then G and then C, stop. Why must I be a teenager in love? And then you can go to start again. So we've got 3rd fret of the E string, A string open, 2nd fret of the A string, and then back to it again. So we've got one day I feel so happy, next day I feel so sad. Okay, so you could also, if you wanted to, do a down, down, up, down, up. For that, the bridge is F, I cried a tear to G, F to G, F to G, and F to G, and then C, A minor, F, and then to G, C, A minor, F, G, C, A minor, F, and G. So that's the chords for it. You could also do a more in-depth strum pattern. You can go, which is quite nice, gives it a bit of a Latin kind of feel. It's used on a lot of rock and roll ballads of the day. So what you'd do, you'd go, you'd strum down the strings slowly. So you'd play the bass note first, and then you'd go. So it's like you're playing down the strings individually. So bass, down the strings, and then, so we've got up, down, up, bass, down, up, down, up, bass, pull, down, up, down, up. And then same again for the A minor. So there we have it, Teenager in Love by Marty Wilde and the Wildcats. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs that you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked what you've seen today, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. A big thank you to everyone who's liked and subscribed to the channel so far. Thank you so much, guys. It's a really big help. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. You take great care of yourselves. See you then. Bye-bye.